No. Come here. Come back here. Come back here. Stop here for 1 minute. Stop here for 1 minute.
Okay. Okay.
And I would like you to pull up on the right, please.
Right. Right. Bring myself over here.
No. Come here. Come back here. Come back here.
here.
Stop here for 1 minute. Stop here for 1 minute.
Okay.
We'll talk about this in a minute, okay?
Yeah.
So when is it safe to do so? Then we're gonna go to the right, okay?
Okay.
So do you think is it safe after this car?
Yes.
But we don't want to be getting too close to the lorry, so maybe somewhere that lamppost or yeah?
Check something.
You did correctly that you did stop the car before you coming here, but
Yeah.
there was a car coming
Coming.
on the lane
Yeah.
B. Are we going into the road?
Yeah.
If we would have gone that time, what is the potential risk you would have been taking that time?
I'm causing them to stop.
Yeah?
And come to a stop, meaning they might have to do an emergency
What if they're
stop.
not anticipating you're gonna come straight in their road? What if they don't press a brake quick enough? Then
That would
what?
lead to an accident or a crash.
And if the accident or crash happen,
It's
what?
my fault.
Forget about the fault. Let's say they come in 30, 40 miles per hour
Yeah.
and they're gonna hit you with that speed.
Mm-hmm.
What are the chances of survival?
0.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even if you do survive, what about the injuries you're gonna sustain?
Yeah.
What about the financial loss? Yeah.
Yeah.
What about the other things? You're gonna be out of the work. Think about it. So, in that situation, now thinking about it, what you could have done differently.
So, like what you said, I should have stopped.
So you check your mirror as a signal,
stop.
and you can see there was coming.
Yeah.
You stop where? Onto the broken white line there, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
And then what would you do? You wait until?
It's free for me to join into a safe gap.
Yes.
Yeah. That's what I should have done.
Yeah. Also, some people, what they tend to do, they check the mirrors, the signal. If there's a car coming,
Yeah.
they keep driving. That's not good either. So it's better to stop.
Yeah.
Let them go. Look, the example I always give to my learners, that makes sense. And what if this is your house with a driveway, and you're coming in and you want to go into your driveway,
Yeah.
and if the cars keep coming, are you going to carry on driving, or are you going to do a complete stop, wait for it's safe, and then turn?
You're gonna have to come. You're gonna have to stop here.
Yeah.